Good day, everyone. This is Lansky from Android Studio channel here at YouTube. It's been a while since I uploaded my last Android Studio coding video. It's, I think, more than 3 years. And what brought me back? What brought me back before I discuss that, I just want to say that I left creating tutorials for Android Studio before because I got bored. But now, with the advent of I found a new challenge. I want to test how easy it is to create Android Studio apps using AI like ChatGPT, Gemini Copilot. So you could ask them to assist you with creating a code instead of you typing it yourself. So, and I have read that Gemini AI is already embedded with Android Studio. So let's dive in and create a new project. So I would create a phone and tablet and choose no activity, and we can let the AI create everything for us. So click next, and I'll name the application back to Android coding with AI. Okay, so instead of Kotlin, I would be using Java, and later let's try Kotlin. Uh, but for now, let's use Java and click finish. So we have our layout here. Okay, it has created the the application project for us, and there's no UI yet because we have chosen no activity. And of course, we have to try Gemini AI here. I don't want to code anymore a project, a code, because let's just use the assistance of AI. I'll just remove this first. I don't know how to clean this. This is my test in the previous well, I'm still learning how to do it, and I tested a command to Gemini. So I don't know how to clear this thing. Maybe clear conversation history. Click yes. Oh, that's it. And I don't know how to put this a little higher. So is that possible? If view mode resize what? So I'll just have it like that. So I'll type an instruction to Gemini, and let's see. Create a two-screen Android application such as follows. So let's be specific with our instruction. So one, the screen should be intro screen. Two is profile screen. Let's just name it that way. Then instruction is put a button in the intro screen with label. So let's specific, go to profile, that when clicked loads or shows the profile screen. So very simple, just like that. But if a human programmer would have to code all these things, it would take even the smartest, the fastest coders at least 5 to 10 minutes with this. I think because there's a lot of going on that basic application, basic process. So just click submit here, and I think the AI would generate that for us and implement that on the code here at the left. Or it would ask us. I don't know yet. Let's see. What's this? What this pink one? Insert a cursor. Let's just see what the application is doing. What Gemini is doing. So we could see the code here, we have a on-click code here, and then we have the profile screen, and we have some packages imported by the AI here. I don't know if it has already been implemented on the left part of our screen where we find the code. So it has an explanation here. So what makes this fun is it still created a main activity. So I don't know why is it necessary. A simple screen displaying some text, profile screen, and then intro screen. We have here an intro screen. To run the app, make sure you selected com example my application. So that the com would be our project name here or application name. This is just a explanation that you have to understand in the context of the name of your app. Okay, is that implemented already? Let's see. We have here Java. Is that implemented here? We have the manifest here, the Android manifest. Back to Android coding with AI. This is the label of our application. And then we have rest here. We have the drawable, the MIP map, the values, and the XML. But I'm not sure if it's implemented yet. So can we run the app? Gemini have not asked us whether we implement immediately. What's this? Assemble app and run app configuration. Apply changes. Apply code changes. So let's click apply code or assemble app configuration. Is it doing anything here? Is it doing something? Sync project with Gradle file. So I'm just clicking anything here just to make this work. Oh, we don't need to update to Git yet or to push this to GitHub or some Git application online. We're just out here to test this Gemini code generation tool. So has it been implemented? Let's see. I think we have to run the app. I have to choose the emulator. So what emulator are we gonna use? Pair device using Wi-Fi. So I already have my device here. Okay. It's asking me again about pairing the device. I've already configured this, but I'm not sure if it should be configured again and again. So wireless debugging. So pair device with QR code. So I have to scan. So the process have to be repeated again and again. So I'm scanning it now and the device is pairing. Okay. So we have to test. So let's see the app. It's still pairing at my phone right now. I have already scanned the QR code that you see on the screen. So let's see. We're using the same Wi-Fi. That's why it's available. The QR have seen this because or the phone have seen the device because they must be on the same Wi-Fi. Right now my phone and my computer is on the same Wi-Fi, but it's taking too long right now. I'll check if Wi-Fi is the same. Yes, it's the same Wi-Fi. Why is it taking too long? So I have to check again or to pair again. Wireless debugging. Pair with, with QR code. It's already paired. So Why do I need to pair again? I think I don't need to pair and pair again. So the problem is I don't see the device. Here I don't see the phone. It's asking me to pair again. Set your Android 11 plus device to pairing mode. I've already done this in my previous video. But now there's a problem with the Wi-Fi. Maybe I have to change Wi-Fi. I'll go to another Wi-Fi and also my phone would go to another Wi-Fi. So that they would be the same Wi-Fi. This other Wi-Fi is a little bit slow, so I'll connect to PLDT. Okay, where is it? Wireless debugging, allow. Pair using QR. Okay, it's paired. So successful. So the problem is the Wi-Fi. So I changed to a faster Wi-Fi. So it's able to. So let's run the application here. Let's see if the AI was able to implement what we require. Though I can see the code implemented here on the left. Install successfully finished. Default running app. Default activity not found. So why is it that way? There's no default activity. So as you can see here, our application, the code that was created by Gemini was not implemented. So the problem here is how do we implement this thing? Has this been implemented? I cannot see the implementation of the code at the left. Apply code changes. It says app disabled app not detected. Why? I did not do anything to disable the app. Apply changes and restart the activity. Control F10. So let's not give up here. Let's ask another AI. Let's ask ChatGPT, assistance of another AI. How to, okay, what to do so that Gemini AI generated code in Android Studio is implemented in the app code. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT could help us. I think it did not understand my question. Gemini have already generated the code, but it seems not applied to the project in Android Studio. So is there a button to click? Oh, look for a suggestion pop up with insert or replace. Copy to editor, insert at cursor. Okay, so that's the purpose of insert at cursor. Click the correct button. Okay, I found an insert at cursor here. This is just the notes. I'll just tell it to please apply the code. That's the simplest thing. Please apply the code. You'll need to create the files and directories as described and then paste the code into them. Oh no! This is not like root coding. In root coding, the AI itself would be the one to write the code. So here, it just generated the code for us, but it did not apply the code. Yeah, it did not apply the code. So now I understand why is it like that. So it did not apply the code for us. We still have to create everything. Okay, we still have to create everything that was suggested. So let's follow it. It's also a good one, but this is not what I was thinking of. So this is not the type of AI assistance that I was looking into. But of course, this is already a good start because AI has already guided you what code to put in your dependencies, as in here, your build.gradle, and then you had it instructed you to sync your project with Gradle files and also define the navigation routes in navigation.kt. Here, it says about there is a navigation.kt. So this is a screen. So you have to create that. But why KT? It's Kotlin. So I'm still not really familiar with the new way of structuring the files here in the latest version of Android Studio. So this is a good findings for us, good realization for me that it's a little bit different here because Gemini is not fully embedded. It's just a suggestion tool for us. It's not yet a full version. So insert at cursor, would it insert? ChatGPT told us about insert at cursor. So what's this? Explore in playground. So it's not yet direct integration. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video here. So we have found out that Android coding using Android Studio with the assistance of Gemini is not a direct integration. The AI would just generate the code for you, but still you as the programmer would be the one to implement at your code. So you still have to know the ins and outs of an Android application structure like your Gradle scripts, your manifest, your Java folder where the Java code is implemented, your drawable where the design of your app is located, the values like colors, .xml, strings, .xml, the themes, and other XML files. So thank you for watching my video. We have made a good realization and see you on my next video with I would find a way whether there is a plugin or a tool that would allow us direct integration of an AI application into Android Studio. So that's it for now. Bye bye.